Thank you for your purchase of Toysphere Kids Ride On. This product comes with attractive color options, steering wheel, musical head with sturdy plastic body. You need to follow these steps in order to assemble the product. You will also need a screwdriver and piler to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body. Insert the front fork complete into main body. Now place steering to front fork complete. In the next step, fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. Step 5. Attach the backrest to main body by hand pressing. In the next step, open the battery cap and insert 2 AAA batteries. Now close the battery cap. Step 9. Fit the handrest with the backrest at 180 degrees right side and left side. Now lock the handrest in the steering with help the lock provided in the handrest. In the last step, fit parental handle to the backrest by the lock button on the parental handle. Your Toysphere Monkey Rider 3-in-1 is now ready to use.